So, as I said in the last video, at the end of the video, next time you guys see the Z, it'll be white. It's white. The quarter panels turned out really, really well. I don't have much to say about them, except I'm happy.
Except what?
Except I'm happy.
Yeah. No, they're a lie, but it's a good lie.
It is a good lie.
The lie you want to hear. Makes you happy.
So if this thing ends up being like a real drift car, I don't want to be all bummed out when a nice Nissan bumper gets screwed up driving. So we'll be using that one for this car. I don't know if I could be a lot happier with how things came out. The rocker panel on the driver's side, the side that got hit, I took like 3 hours maybe to like smear some Bondo over it and then kind of give it a shape again. And from 10 feet away, if the car was moving, I don't think I'd notice that the rocker is pretty clearly fucked. Still see back here, kind of in between the hatch and the quarter, where the two quarter panel pieces got put together. But aside from that, you really can't tell that the quarter panel has been chopped right about there, which is neat. All right, so Samsquanch and I got the front bumper on. It looks really, really good, but I realized these turn signals aren't the JDM turn signals. They made the USDM turn signals fit this bumper. So that's gonna be a dead giveaway that this isn't a real Nissan bumper, but that's all right. Car's looking sick. We're gonna go get the rear bumper on and the wing, see what it looks like. Woo. We have the car put together and it looks fantastic. Check it out. Boom. It's all white, man. Look at that. It's so good. The wing is super spiffy now that it's paint matched. I really like it. And got the third taillight piece, or the third brake light piece from that black car that we tore down at the wrecking yard. And Samsquanch was able to fix the crack in the middle of it. And it's good to go. All right, let's get this dude outside and we'll see it in the real light.